Root user direct login access. Now we will discuss about it. I'm selecting the VM and start initiating the VM. If bare metal you are using and installed Linux machine on bare metal, switch on the machine and you will be get a prompt of GUI if it is installed. If GUI is not installed in your machine, you will find out on your machine stating that the user login prompt only. They directly on server only. I am explaining this, where you have installed Linux operating system, that particular server or VM directly. There is no remote and other system and network connectivity, and not at all. Strongly remember, we are directly accessing this by using the root permissions of the user and login to our machine. Now see here, GUI initiating. My Linux machine is having the GUI facility. For the demonstration purpose, we are installed along with the GUI while installation. By here you observe that there is a facility of any of the users are available in your system that will be displayed, and root will not display the username and all. Hence you have to select an option not listed. Facility label is there. Here it will be displayed. By using the root username, by default is the root only, and while installation you have chosen your root password. That password you need to use to log in your server system. Yep. Now see here, not listed. There is an admin user there and not listed is there. I'm hit the not listed. The username it's asking, my root username is root and password of the root. Hit sign in button. Now you will see the GUI window of the root user. We'll get it. Here once if you are logged in as a root user means in Linux and Unix, Ubuntu, all the flavors of this open source operating systems, the root user means the user who is having a super user privileges, where he can do a system wide configurations as well as the user what he can do the things of all the settings changes and modifications and all the things he can do. He is the user is called in as a root. Now see here, once click the activities, there is a terminal window is here. I am opening. This is the window is opened for root user login. I would like to show you, cleanly here you will observe it. The hash before cursor it's showing that hash symbol indicates that it's a root user login. Once if you are used by permissions and credentials of the user with having the user permissions, if the user is logged in, dollar symbol it will be displayed here like this symbol instead of root. Okay, now here you will type in a command, who am I, hit enter. It's saying that root. Okay, and hit who, see root tty2, and when he is logged in and all the things it will be displayed. directly without intervention anything. We are booted with the system, with the Linux server machine, and we have using the user entering the user by using the credentials of the root login credentials, and directly we are accessing the system. Okay, that's all for this session. Thank you.